Hello, I did the Breaking Bad bathtub scene, infamous for dissolving the body with hydrofluoric acid and causing a lot of damage. Sadly, this turns out to be unrealistic, and I'll tell you the reasons why. Let's start from the beginning, that would help. So some key things wrong were definitely the amount of acid they used, and the time it took to dissolve, and the destruction. Sorry, my computer's taking a little while to load this. There we go. So starting off with the amount, Jesse only used 2 bottles of the hydrofluoric acid, which is what Walter White, which you can see in the picture, if I'll go back to that slide, right here, the picture of the bottle. It doesn't really describe how many liters, if it's a whole liter of hydrofluoric acid, and in the episode it really doesn't show him using 2 bottles, so we're just going to assume he does. But you see immediately when he pours it, you see the body starting to sizzle, and you see the reaction starting, which all the research I've done said it would not have happened that fast. So that was kind of overplayed. Mythbusters actually did a whole episode on this and all of the kind of overdramatic scenes in Breaking Bad. And in this, they did the regular experiment using 2 bottles, and they saw very little reaction, and it didn't really do much. So they actually doubled the amount and still saw little effect. So you can see that this amount of hydrofluoric acid really would not have happened this fast, or even, I don't even know if at all, if they left it for a while, I don't even know if it would eat through. All of that, they showed the floor, the ceramic tub, and everything in the body. So like I said, the time was a huge factor. Jesse, when he poured it and then went away, and then when they found the body busted to the 2nd floor, that was maybe an hour. It really wasn't that long. And when Mythbusters reenacted this, they did it at the time that they showed, like I said, saw little effect, and then they actually left it over at night and still didn't see too much damage to the ceramics. So like I said, the time was definitely overdramatic and unrealistic. The destruction, all of this kind of leads up to this. The hydrofluoric acid alone could not have done all the damage it did in that short time. I actually read a few articles that mentioned if you combine it with the strong acid along with the fluoric acid, the reaction would actually be really faster, and it would do more damage than just dissolving the tub and everything. So, the acid could not have eaten through the body, the ceramic tub, and the flooring in that amount of time. And if Walter White plans to do any more experiments like this, he might freshen up on his chemistry before attempting this. So thank you for watching this, and I know there's not a video in here. My computer is not really working out for me today, so I'm going to send you an email along with the research paper, and there'll be a link to the video and the email. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.